Y'all want to see our latest flip? Come on in. Mom and Dad and Louie and Kiki and I are all going to explore. I see a tulip on the back porch, so you know that's a great sign. Also, while you're here, give me a wow down in the comments if you like what we've done. Yay! All right, I'm going to flip it around so y'all can see what I'm seeing. We're going in the back door. The front is around there, but we're going in the back door here, and I'll show you around. Fantastic. See, we've patched a hole in the back deck. We got a toilet in here. Oh, it looks so good. It's move-in ready. This looks amazing. We got some can lights in. Isn't that nice? Look at the couch out here. Oh, look at Deerhead. How cute. Wow, it looks good, doesn't it? Look at that wagon wheel. They got some cotton hanging on it. This whole wall had water damage, and we put, fixed the water damage, obviously, and then put the sheetrock back up. We fixed the floors. Oh, it looks so homey. Oh, the cleaning crew will be here on Friday, and they'll get the rest of this little bit of dust up and get it all really spruced up. This is awesome. I love it. The kitchen was pretty much ready to go. We didn't do anything in here except put a new chandelier in. Y'all give me a wow if you just love it. We got nice can lights in the hallway here too. The electrician's been a couple days over here. Hey, Dad.
Hi there.
Dad's going through and turning the lights on for us. We've got beds in here. We got new floors in here. We got a new fan in here. Oh, Derek did awesome. This looks amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This hardwood floor was here, but the bedrooms, this is new. Hi, Louie. You see that floor, y'all? This looks amazing. I love it. This is our walk-in closet and office. See? We're going to have a desk right there. So we're doing this as a furnished rental. I've got some others that are furnished rentals, and I just love them. I just love the furnished rentals. And we put them on a 30-day minimum program. So they rent month to month, basically. We got new toilet in here. We got some new grout in here. New flooring. This looks awesome. This looks so good. I'm so impressed. This is the first time we've come through down here to see it all. Absolutely looks amazing. Let's see. Are these lights on all the way? Oh, yeah. Okay, I hit the wrong button. See? Look, I hit the wrong button. It even says light. Will you flip the light on in there?
Oh, so it's a new tub? Shower?
Yes!
Yes. That looks awesome.
Ooh, so excited. I want to see. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is perfect. It was a big soaker tub, and you had to, crank your whole leg up all the way to get in there. And now, look at it. It's just so clean and new. Oh goodness, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks awesome. We got fresh paint in here. We got just a few little things in here. But this looks incredible. Oh, I'm so excited. And then we've got the bed set up in here. We got the furniture out. Uh-oh, somebody's calling the Whitney Buys Houses. Somebody is watching this video and saying, hey, I want to rent that for the month while my house is trying to finish getting done. My goodness, now they're calling the other phone. I can't talk, people. I'm showing people around. I can't talk right now. We got a nice walk-in closet here. Oh, I just love it. I love it. I love it. And as y'all can see, Mom, what you got right there? We're dog friendly. They walked away when I tried to put them on camera. Oh, I'm so excited. This looks awesome. This is going to be fantastic. We got just a little bit more work to do over here to finish getting it set up, but the construction is done. The biggest pieces of the furniture in. Didn't get the light on in the kitchen so y'all can see this, but we still got a little bit to go, but the table's there. Oh, I'm excited. excited. This is going to be fantastic. It looks so much better than it did a month ago, right?
Yeah.
It's been about 6 weeks in the making, I think. So, woohoo! So, I got to tell y'all, I was driving to Mom's house one day, and I saw some people here, and there hadn't been anybody here in years. And, you know, my mom lives 3 doors down, so I'm over here all the time, and we know the house was empty. I love buying empty houses, all right, because I can take over your mortgage payment. Totally fine. That's what I did on this house. I started sending the people $1,000 a month. Their payment is right at $705. So I send them an extra $295 every single month, and I got to come in and fix this house. I got to come in and let my guys tear down the fence out front. I got to say, let's paint it, let's clean it, let's put some furniture in it, and let's rent it. That wasn't my original plan because Mom lives just 3 doors down, but some other things have happened. I'll tell you about that after it gets going a little bit. But some other things have happened in our life, so I'm going to rent this one. And I'm super excited about it. I just started sending people $1,000 a month, and then I started fixing the property. I love it. And, I mean, y'all, even in this hot market, there are people in the world that are going to spend a Saturday cleaning up a house that they don't even want anymore. All right? They're going to be stressed out. They're going to be sick. They're going to be waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning worried about a house that's been empty for 3 years that they've been making a payment on. I can help them. I can buy that house. They don't have to spend a Saturday over here fixing stuff. I'll do it. It's totally fine. Another thing is, another house that I flipped, I also started just making those people's payment on that property. And what was awesome is on the other house that I was at, the man told me, he was like, this house needs some work. And we've already moved. We're doing work on our other house. We're putting siding on our other house. We want to live over there. We want to nest over there. We don't want to put money into this house to even fix it and sell it in this hot market. I said, don't worry about it. I'll take over your payments. I'll put the money in to fix it and flip it. I'll do whatever needs to be done, and I'll make your payments for 5 or 10 years. He said, oh, that would be amazing. You would do that for us? And I said, yes. I love doing those deals for people that are just tired of a property. So if you have a house or you know somebody with an empty house that needs some work, I'll buy it. I'll start making payments on it. I'll give them some money to move if we need to. I will, put the new heat and air unit in it, whatever it needs. I am there to help you. I am here to help your friends. And even if you're wanting to sell your mom's house, I'll buy your mom's house. It's fine. People get inherited properties all the time, and they call Whitney Buys Houses because I buy houses. I actually buy houses, and I love it. So if you've got an empty house in Knoxville or anywhere in East Tennessee, give me a call, 865-309-4500. And I'm going to give you another quick tour of this house now that we got all the lights on, because when we went through a minute ago, we were trying to turn the lights on and show you around. Oh, you turned them off? No, I'm going to walk back through in a second. Oh, you found the kitchen lights. Thanks. Okay, awesome. So, I'm pumped. This house is fantastic, and we're gonna have it available. We'll finish everything and be ready to rent it on Friday. Frank is my cleaning guy. He's going to come over on Friday and clean it. We'll have the extra toilets out of the way. Derek, you did an awesome job on it. Jay, you did a fantastic job over here. Laura, you have been picking some nice furniture. I love it. So, I am super excited, and I'm going to give you another tour. Y'all say wow down in the comments if you're so excited. Yay! I am super excited. Y'all give me a little wow down there, all right? All right, we're going to walk through one more time. Again, we're coming in from the back door, and this is the kitchen. We didn't do anything, really, in the kitchen. We still need a refrigerator. We still need the stove, but that's all fine. We'll get that. The dishwasher was here. We took that microwave from my office. It's good. All right. And again, we had to fix this wall right here by this door, but the rest of this room was fine. And y'all, look at this vaulted ceiling. It's gorgeous. I just love it. I love this house. It's just 3 driveways down from my mom's house. Of course I love it, right? It's in the great neighborhood. The neighbors are fantastic. Right, Joe Bailey? I see you watching. Joe Bailey was with me the day when we bought this. It did not look like this that day, did it, Joe? So it's awesome. Again, we got fresh paint. We got new floors, new fans. So excited. We got a dad in here. That's good.
Coming out of the closet.
We still got some fixing to do in here, but y'all, I'm telling you, this place looks amazing. My team has done a fantastic job. We're going to put a desk over here so we've got a dedicated workspace if somebody wants to rent it and work from home. We still got the tag on that clothes rack in there. We've learned a lot. We've had a bunch of fun. Everything looks awesome. I just love it. I am so excited. This is fantastic. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that I paid $1,000 for. $1,000. Who wants to buy a house for $1,000 that looks like this? Right? Can I get a wow for that? Nice big walk-in closet in the master. And then, I'm super excited. This is the shower that just went in yesterday. And it is huge. It's huge. I feel a joke coming on about that. But I promise y'all, this is not what this place looked like a month ago, even a week ago. Definitely not when I bought it for $1,000. I'm excited. We do have our little deer up here. He might be our mascot. We're going to have to name this place. What do y'all want to name it? Dad, what do you think we should name it? Should we name it something about the deer, or it's got all wood siding? What should we name this place? Y'all tell me down in the comments, what do you want to name this place? Still got some work to do outside, but look at this front porch. We got the rocking chairs out here. We got the grill out here. Oh, I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Hello. I'm also going to tell y'all that I have 2 spots available right now to work one-on-one with me. So if you're looking at this house and you're thinking, dang, Whitney, it's a really hot market. How did you get this deal for $1,000? Well, I've got First Living Fast. It's a self-study course. I've got FDDF Plus. It's group coaching so that I can be with you every week. But I also know that in the super hot market, you can't fiddle fart around. You can't dilly-dally around. You got to take massive action. You got to be at the right place at the right time with the right solutions for the right person. So I'm putting an offer out there right now. If you're looking for a coach, if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for somebody that'll work with you one-on-one and actually be there when you call, actually make time for you every single day, actually answer your questions to help you be there for sellers at the right time, place, with the right solution for everybody, I'm here. I'm happy to do that. I only have 2 spots available for one-on-one coaching based on, I got 4 flips going on right now. We're going to furnish all 4 of them. I'm super busy. We had the Knox RIA meeting last night. I know in my schedule I've got room for 2 people right now. So if you're interested in having one of those 2 spots for one-on-one coaching to find out how you can do these deals, make this money, flip these houses, and have some fun this year, let me know. Just send me a message and let me know. All right, that's all I got for you today. Dad's checking out the security alarm, see what we got going on with that. Heard it beeping, and I'm excited. This is going to be fantastic, so yay! Y'all let me know if you have any questions, and if you got an empty house in Knoxville, let me know about that. When I'm not coaching, I'm buying houses. So let me know if you have anything you want me to come look at. I'll make some offers, or I'll show you how to do this in your hometown. All right. Bye, y'all.